What's up, everyone? What's up, everyone? I am back. MySpace, what's up? So, the next project has arrived. Alright, so here we are. The first unboxing of the RX7. Another right-hand drive. It's a shell right now. Not completely sure what route I'm gonna take, but we'll keep you guys updated on this one. We'll roll her out here soon and see what I need to start doing. Holy shit. MySpace, what's up? No, I'm joking. It's been a long time since I've talked to you guys, and a lot of shit has happened. I sold the first gen. I got into 2 car accidents. I fell off a motorcycle. I broke my arm, and it's been a lot. So right now, I want to give you guys a quick update. I won't get into too much detail, but I sold the first gen. Video will come out that soon. There's a trailer behind me. In that trailer came another car, which is back there. So someone's coming to pick this up. They came to look at it yesterday, and I've given myself 4 days until they come and pick it up. So we've got to get the motor, trans, everything out of it in that time. So I'm pretty sure this is going to be the last day I see this thing together. And you guys see this thing together with me, but on to new adventures. I've got another FD coming at the weekend, at the end of this weekend. And obviously I know I briefly told you guys about that. So we're gonna pull the motor, trans, seat, dash, wing, a few other things, and just kind of start this winter over. I've got a lot to do. I'm really kind of feeling bittersweet about this. I didn't want to risk taking it for a ride. My boy Chris even said it. He goes, yeah, until you go and have a car accident right after selling it. So might as well get the motor trans out and go from there. Hopefully you guys can hear me well. I know with the heater on right now, it might be a little difficult, but I'll be switching camera midway through.
I'ma make you mine tonight, pulling your hair, baby. I'ma make you mine tonight. I feel you breathing on you. You know that I'm a selfish lover. When it's mine, I want it. One track mind for you, for you.
All right, so shit's been hectic, to be honest. This is done for the most part. I got to pull the wing off, keeping the wheels on it, keeping the bumper on it for him. But this got dropped off while we were pulling that apart. This one has a full motor. I'll show you guys that a little more later. It's a left-hand drive, my first left-hand drive. But motor is out of this. Got the carpet out, the seats out. Motor and trans sitting right here. And then in the meantime, someone hit me up about that since I already sold this one, so who knows. I also have the SI, which I still have to figure out what we have to get for this thing. There's a gear missing in here. So it's normally my hangout room. There's a big brake kit there, the bumper, friggin' seats, intercooler, dash, the dash ECU race pack from Haltech. And yeah, as you guys can see, we've been getting pretty busy. So tomorrow the guy's supposed to come take the shell from me and start figuring out what we could do with this one. But this house is a mess right now. There are 8 cars. We've got the truck out here, and I don't even think you guys can see over here, but there are 3 cars over here. There's a TSX, an RX-8, and the Turbo 2 RX-7. So yeah, well, I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Hey guys, and we're back. Today is the day. I've got about 2 hours to finish up this car. You'll hear me shouting a little bit because that heater's on and it is freezing. We woke up today and have snow here in PA, and we weren't expecting snow, so explains Pennsylvania for you. So hopefully you guys can hear me over that. I do have a new camera out right now. My boy Chris Everett has helped me with getting a new camera set up, and I love the quality on this thing, but I would figure, you know, get you guys some videos here, show you guys what's going on, last update before it goes. Right now there's nothing in it, so there's a few pieces we took out. I left them with the door panels, but I took out the trim for the corner over here. You'll see left him with the seats, took out the carpet, but left him with a dash. I put some weird steering wheel on there. Left the wheels on for him. It's got BC Racing in the rear and Teens in the front. Left those on for him. But other than that, you know, I just got to get the front bumper back on. I got to take my wing off of it. And I told him I'd give him some China-made seats I got up in the attic here. So you guys can see I got the new RX7 here, and I can't wait to start getting that thing apart and finish it. A few people keep hitting me up about this, so we'll see. But right now it's Sunday morning. It's cold as hell, and Chris is on his way over here, so hopefully we can start working on that. I think now with this camera here, I can show you guys my transmission on this SI and where I screwed up the gears. We'll see here. Yeah, look at that focus. Wow. You guys see that gear is completely shut. It looks so much bigger with the new camera. Bro, look at my forehead. Yeah, it looks so big. The quality is great. I'm gonna give the camera to my boy Chris real quick here. Hold on. I don't know if you can see. I think you gotta change that over. But we got the car ready right now. I really don't know how I'm feeling. I got kind of mixed feelings about it. I gave the guy some seats in there. I gave him a hood. There were a few things that I needed for the car that I took for my right-hand drive. So I don't know. Let's turn this off. It's super fucking loud. I can only imagine how that's gonna come in. But right now the engine bay is completely cleaned up. I just wiped her down with a rag so she looks nice. Yeah, I have no clue how I'm feeling right now, to be honest. The guys should be here in about 20 minutes or so, and this will be the last time I have this car. It's been cool. I picked this car up from someone local here in the valley, so it's like nice to get rid of someone, or get rid of someone else's car, I guess you could say. Although I've made it my own over the last 6 years. But, yeah. Holy shit, she's gonna be gone. I guess we'll see. We've got a lot more to work on anyways. Watch the Rega Masters. Oh, this is stressful. Hey, Chris, body mechanic, as Petey would say, and cameraman.
I'ma make you mine tonight, pulling your hair, baby. Yeah. I'ma make you mine tonight. I feel you breathing on you. You know that I'm a selfish lover. When it's mine, I want it. One track mind for it, for you. I do it for you. Tell me what you want, tell me what you need, baby. Tell me about your dreams, tell me everything. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. How does it all over for me? My favorite toys, like my favorite strings, so yeah. There she goes.
Holy crap.
It's gone.
Gone.